And back home now. National player Terania Plum Plum Clark was laid to rest at Meadowrest on Sunday following a Thanksgiving service at the Excelsior High School. Karen Madden was there and filed this report.
Scores of persons, including some from the football fraternity, joined politicians, friends and family assembled at the Excelsior High School auditorium, perhaps fittingly so as Clark spent 5 years leading her Excelsior team to back-to-back titles. Among those paying tributes were Minister of Sports Olivia Grange, who was represented by Ali McNabb, and the JFF President Michael Ricketts.
It is so sad and painful to have lost someone with such a future. Plum Plum wasn't an ordinary girl.
Are we loving each other as we should? Have we forgotten what the meaning of love is? It's not about just loving your own family. It's loving people. We have lost a tremendous talent.
Clark, who was repeatedly described as a leader, had also captained her Waterhouse team to several titles. On Sunday, her teammates could not contain their sorrow.
I look to you, I look to you.
Her high school and club coach, Xavier Gilbert, chronicled her journey as a talented footballer, which ended the night she died in his arms. Several members of the Reggae Girls team were also in attendance, and some of them shared their emotions with TVJ Sports.
Very respectful, always open to learning, listening, and try to, be the best version of ourselves. And to see her life cut short, it's very unfortunate.
She had great potential. She's such a great player and an even better person, and it's not here anymore. It's kind of difficult to deal with.
She never in a fight, never, and this to be her first fight. She lost it and lost her life like that, knowing that she had opportunity to go overseas and pursue her dream, and that cut short. But that such is life. We never question God, but we hope, send our prayers to the family, and hope that she laid to rest in peace.
Clark was killed in an altercation with another female in October.